Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to try to turn this into some money. You may be asking why. Well, I promised my wife I'd build her something. So you guys stay tuned because we are going to build a on the side of the road DIY road stand, I guess. So, first things first, we gotta feed these animals. Then we gotta go to some guy's barn and take some wood off. Because we're doing this for free. Whatever we have around here, we're using it for free. So you guys stay tuned. I'll catch you guys as soon as I get these animals fed. Alright, so we got everything fed. You may be asking, what do we have? Well, we got some green beans, tomatoes, jalapenos, banana peppers, and peppers. So that's all in that one. And here we got some cucumbers. This is going to be cucumbers again. We got lettuce and squash, I think. So we don't eat all that, so we got a bunch of eggs too. Not a bunch of eggs, but we got eggs that we're gonna probably put out there. So we're gonna go jump in the car, go to the place that I'm gonna borrow some wood off of, and it's really early in the morning, so should be fun. No one should be up, so you guys stay tuned. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so we made it to the spot. I found this on Google Map. Don't know exactly whose barn this is, but it looks like it's falling apart. So we're gonna just help them out, right? So we're gonna take all them boards right there. We're gonna probably need more, but so far we're gonna take them boards, work our way from there up, go find some other wood that we can borrow. So you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get this taken care of and catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so we got some tin too, so that way it's for the top, you know. I got a bunch of wood. So we're gonna try to get out of here before they come out and start shooting me, because you know, some random guy's property. Don't know who it is, but I'm pretty sure I just got poison ivy from here. So I'm gonna go get home, wash down my legs, catch you guys in a flash. Alright, so we got the wood here, we got short boards, we got the 4x4s, and then we got long boards right there.
And we're making a vegetable food stand.
That's right, making that vegetable food stand. So I got my helper. We got to build this around a cooler, because you got to keep your vegetables and fruits cold. Not super cold, but cold, right?
Yeah, with a fridge.
Cooler.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's grab that cooler.
So how are we going to build it?
Put your shirt down.
How are we going to build it?
Alright, so first we got this here. It has to be able to open up like this.
Dad.
So we gotta have enough room on each side. So we're gonna give a 1/2 inch there. We're gonna give a 1/2 inch here. Nope, I already did that one. So that's how it needs to be. So with that being said, we're gonna grab a long board, some screws, and a fan.
Grab a screws like that.
Yep. I'm gonna grab a fan because it's hot out.
Yep.
And you guys enjoy this time lapse.
Out here on the Chattahoochee River, a lot about living and a little about love. Out here on the Chattahoochee Saturdays on the bank. Learned a lot.
Alright, so we got this far. We had to go get some new screws. We ran out of screws, so we went and got new screws. This is the only thing we got into this project is these screws. Everything else is recycled.
And my daddy buy them.
Out here on the tractor.
Alright guys, so here it is. We got it done. Finally. Several hours. Hold on. Alright, so we got the roof here. Nice, sturdy. We got shelves. So we can put fruit. So we can put vegetables up there. Vegetables right there. Another one right there. And then this will have any cold stuff, kind of like needs eggs or something. We'll have eggs in here. Maybe some lettuce. It'll have some type of ice on the bottom. That way it keeps it cold.
I want to get in.
No, you don't need to be in. But we'll put a money box in somewhere right here so people can put money in or whatever. It's on the trust. It is the Trust Shack. Trust Shack. What do you think? You like the name? Trust Stack Shack? Trust Shack. Trust Shack. There we go.
I want to get in.
Hold on. So here it is.
I want to get in.
Oh my goodness. Alright, so it can hold her. It can hold some vegetables. So we're gonna get this sucker out. We are gonna go put it at the end of somebody's driveway. I'm not gonna tell you guys who it is, what it is, because then you guys know where I live. But I'm gonna go put it at somebody's end of their driveway.
Like,
That we have no clue who lives there. We're gonna just put it there.
like on a driveway.
Yep, we're gonna put it on the end of the driveway.
Like on somebody's driveway.
Ella. Alright, so we got it all done. We put some little 22 shells right here. We slapped them in there just so if people steal from us, they know what they're gonna get to them. Hey, you gotta pay attention to the camera. You can't.
I am.
So, if they try to steal from us, they're gonna get the 22, right, Grace?
Mm-hmm.
You've been practicing, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, you can tell I've been working. You can tell she's been working. Look how wet she is. She's just soaked, ain't you?
Yeah.
Definitely wasn't from water, right?
Yeah.
So,
It does water.
so like I said, we're gonna pick this up. We're gonna take it to some guy's front yard and drop it off.
And on the driveway. And
Somebody's front yard. We're gonna drop it off, and we're gonna have stuff here, stuff here, stuff here,
like me and Mom.
stuff in here. Grace, I'll show you. Then this will pop open. You can put whatever you want in there.
I'm scared.
So, alright, so thanks for watching. DIY road sand for the little kid and her mom, right? It's you and your mom's.
And some vegetables.
With that being said, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys.
Out here on the tractor, Hatchie River, a lot about living.